Welcome to Let's Wander, the travel and hiking vlog. If you are planning to visit Rameshwaram and if it is your first time, then certainly you must be wondering how many days you need to stay in Rameshwaram and what are the places you can see during the stay. This video has an answer for all your queries. So subscribe to the channel and stay till the end of this video, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more interesting travel info. You actually need 3 days to get absorbed into the beauty of Rameshwaram. However, 2 days are also good enough to explore Rameshwaram. Spend your day 1 in Rameshwaram. Probably half of the day goes into complete the darshan of Ramanatha Swami temple. Spend the rest of the day exploring in and around the temple complex and go to sea beach, have some boating experience on a mighty Indian Ocean, and make some memories of visiting the divine Rameshwaram. We made a complete tour guide of visiting Rameshwaram in the previous update. The link is provided in the description. Please go through it if you are interested. Keep your day 2 for sightseeing. The major attraction in Rameshwaram are Ramanatha Swami temple, Pamban bridge, and Ram Setu at Dhanushkodi. There are other several ancient temples of importance to Hindus like Kodandarama Swami temple, Panchamukhi Hanuman temple, Lakshman Tirtham, Villundi Tirtham, Gandhamadana Parvatam, Nataraja Swami temple, etc. Out of all, Dhanushkodi is my favorite. Don't miss it if you are visiting Rameshwaram. You can reach Dhanushkodi by public transport, bus, taxi and auto rickshaw. The bus fare would be less, but taxi and auto fare would depend upon the package you choose. We booked an auto from the Eastern Temple complex for 800 rupees. That included 15 sightseeing points. Let's start the journey from the holy water pond called Lakshman Tirtham. It is just less than 2 kilometers from the Ramanatha Swami temple. We then visited this beautiful Krishna temple built by the Gujarati community. The idols of Krishna and Radha inside the temple are very enchanting. Right next to this is a temple dedicated to Lord Rama. We then have this awesome temple of Panchamukhi Hanuman. Right opposite to this is the beautiful Nataraja Swami temple. After visiting all these temples in Rameshwaram, we marched towards Dhanushkodi. Dhanushkodi is 20 kilometers away from Rameshwaram with a travel time of 25 minutes. After traveling a distance of 10 kilometers, we come across this ancient Kodandarama Swami temple. It is at this place Lord Rama conducted Vibhishan's Pattabhishekam after killing his brother Ravana. Usually, there won't be much crowd at this temple, but a big group from Gujarat have just arrived and therefore this queue. Spending a few minutes here, we headed further. This is the lighthouse of Dhanushkodi. Ten minutes before Dhanushkodi, you come across this ruined city of Dhanushkodi. This used to be the old railway station of Rameshwaram. The entire town of Dhanushkodi was washed away by a tsunami that hit the town in 1964, and the town was declared a ghost town, unfit for living, aftermath the cyclone of 1964. Small temples are now built on this site, and a few local fishermen and hawkers live selling tribal artifacts during the daytime. The travelers to Dhanushkodi are allowed only up to 5 p.m. in the evening. 10 to 15 minutes of marine drive to Dhanushkodi is simply mind-blowing. There might be hardly any place that can match this awesome experience of marine drive. Bay of Bengal to our left. There is an Indian Ocean very next to the right. Here is the aerial view of Dhanushkodi. Magnificent, isn't it? Don't you want to experience this? I hope you do. The excitement and joy of this ride is going to remain in our memories for the lifetime. Looking at the number of vehicles parked, we sense a huge crowd here. We finally have arrived at the last destination of the day. Let me introduce you to the Bay of Bengal on the left. Here comes the Indian Ocean on the right. You can clearly differentiate the waters of Bay of Bengal and Indian Ocean. And this is the last land of India. Sri Lankan island is 24 kilometers from here. This is where we stand now. For a long time I had a wish to sit on the rock and experience the ocean waves hitting the rocks with foaming water, jumping, dancing and crawling. It was like the stage was set exclusively for me. We were so engrossed in the waves of the ocean that we lost the track of time. We spent most of the time at the Bay of Bengal side because the tides were electrifying and very attractive. The Indian Ocean was quiet and peaceful. By the way, I haven't told you yet why all of us have gathered here. It's not just to see the beaches. The place has great importance to Indians and the Hindus in particular. This is the place of the confluence of two mighty oceans. You can see how these two oceans meet here. Both the oceans lose their individual identities and gain a new identity once they meet. It is clearly evident here as you can see on screen. It is not just this. You might have heard about the famous Ram Setu. It is from here the Lord Rama's Vanara Sena built a Setu, the bridge, to Lanka to get back his abducted wife as per the legend of Ramayana. Here you go. The piece of land you see on screen is Ram Setu. Let me take you to a close-up. As you see on screen that a portion of the bridge is clearly visible, and after a point the bridge submerges in water and still you can see the tides rise as they hit the bridge. I hope we tried to answer most of your queries in this video. Do give your feedback in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Let's wander.